Hey everyone, a warm welcome to all my awesome viewers and to our channel, DreamCarViews. If you're new here, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our latest uploads. Today we're diving into the world of luxury Class A motorhomes, the rolling 5-star hotels that let you chase sunsets without sacrificing comfort. First impressions matter, and this flagship coach delivers. A full-body automotive paint scheme laid over high-gloss fiberglass sidewalls gives it showroom sparkle. Frameless panoramic windows run the length of the cabin, while polished 22-inch aluminum wheels and air-ride suspension promise a cloud-like glide. Power-attracting awnings with integrated LED strips create an instant patio, and beneath them you'll find 200 cubic feet of pass-through storage, perfect for grills, bikes, or golf clubs. A 15,000-pound rated tow hitch at the rear means you can tag along a car or boat without breaking a sweat. Step inside and you're greeted by heated porcelain tile floors, real hardwood cabinetry, and soft close drawers. The living room features dual power reclining theater seats facing a 50-inch lift-up smart TV and an electric fireplace that doubles as a space heater. In the galley, a solid surface island hides a farmhouse sink and a 2-burner induction cooktop. A residential French door fridge with an ice and water dispenser keeps your refreshments icy cold, while a convection microwave oven handles the roasting duties. Moving back, the master suite offers a king-size memory foam mattress, overhead reading lights, and USB-C fast charge ports. Opposite the bed, a second smart TV rides above a bank of cedar-lined wardrobes. The spa-inspired bathroom boasts a one-piece fiberglass shower with rainfall head and teak seat, a backlit vanity mirror, and an electric flush porcelain toilet. Underneath, a Cummins ISL 8. 9-liter turbo diesel pumps out 450 horsepower and 1,250 lb-ft of torque, matched to an Allison 6-speed automatic. That combo propels the coach effortlessly up mountain passes while returning an impressive 8 to 10 miles per gallon for its class. Side radiator cooling, 3-stage engine braking, and a 150-gallon fuel tank mean fewer stops and safer descents. All this opulence comes at a premium. The sticker starts at $525,000, climbing towards $650,000 with solar packages, lithium batteries, and satellite internet. Still, compare that to luxury condos and you're getting a vacation home on wheels, no property tax required. If you love this peek inside a rolling palace, share this video with your road trip buddies, like it, subscribe to DreamCarViews, and don't forget to ring the bell icon so every new review parks itself right in your feed. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.